Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. As you know, we are learning chapter number 1, number and arithmetic operations, and in this chapter today our topic is multiplication. So in this video you will learn these things. Number 1, introduction of multiplication. I will tell you a short introduction that what is the multiplication. Number 2, I will tell you the names of parts of multiplication sentence, and in the last we will solve some examples of multiplication questions. So students, what is multiplication? Multiplication is one of the 4 basic operations of arithmetic. 4 basic operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So multiplication is one of them. It is the repeated addition. What is meant by the repeated addition? Let me explain you this thing by the help of an example. For example, we have given 3 boxes, and in each box we have 5 flowers. 5 flowers in box 1, 5 in box 2 and 5 in box 3. Now if you want to find the total number of flowers, so what you will do? We can find the total number of flowers by the help of addition or by multiplication. By addition, how can we find? Look, in box 1 we have 5 flowers. So if we add 5 plus 5 and plus 5 like this, 5 plus 5 plus 5, because we have 5 flowers in each box and we have 3 boxes. So if we add 5 3 times, we can get a total number, that is 15. Similarly, we can find the total number of flowers by the help of multiplication. How? Look here, we have 5 flowers in each box and we have 3 boxes. So instead of addition, we can multiply 5, that is number of flower in each box, multiply by 3, that is the number of boxes. So in this method, by this method we can also find the total number of flower, that is 15. You can see by addition we have answer 15 and by multiplication we have the same answer 15. So there are 15 total flowers. In this way we can say that multiplication is the repeated addition. So instead of doing long addition, we can simply find our answer by the simple multiplication. So students, these are the names of parts of multiplication. Here we have given an example that 15 multiplied by 2 is equals to 30. In this example, 15 is the multiplicand, 2 is multiplier and 30 is product. We can say that multiplicand is a number that is to be multiplied by another number, or in the other words you can say the first number is the multiplicand. Multiplier is a number that is to be multiplied, or the second number is the multiplier, and the answer of multiplication is called product. Here 30 is the product. Now let's solve some examples of multiplication. So students, let's start from the multiplication of the smaller numbers that you have already learned in your previous class. But today I am just revising it so that you can easily understand the multiplication of the larger numbers. So we have given example, find the product of 459 and 5. This question may be given to you in this form, that 459 multiplied by 5 is equals to dash. In this example, 459 is the multiplicand in which we have 3 digits. 5 is the multiplier in which we have 1 digit. So this multiplication is the multiplication of 3 digits by 1 digit. So let's start our solution. But students, before starting our solution, you have to write the place value on each digit of the multiplicand and the multiplier. This will help you to place the digits in their respective columns correctly. So let's start. 9 is in the ones place, 5 is in the tens place, 4 is in the hundreds place, and here 5 is in the ones place. Now again in solution we will start from writing the place value, ones, tens, hundred. After writing the place value, we will copy our multiplicand and the multiplier in the vertical form for the multiplication. So let's start. 459 is the multiplicand or will be placed at the first. Then in the second we will write our multiplier, that is 5. Now we will multiply. 5 9s are 45. From the 45 we will write 5 here and 4 will be the carry, because 5 is in the ones place and 4 is in the tens place. So we will write 5 in the ones column and 4 in the 4 will be the carry in the tens column. Now 5 5s are 25 and 25 plus 4. 5 multiplied by 5 is equals to 25. 25 plus 4 29. So we will write 9 here and 2 will be the carry. Now 5 multiplied by 4 is equals to 20 and 20 plus 2 is equals to 22. So we will write 2 here and 1 2 here. This 2 is in the thousands place. So this is our final product. In this example, this is multiplicand, this is multiplier, and this is product. Now let's move to the other example. Now students, in this example we have given find the product of 267 and 25. Here we have multiplicand 267 and the multiplier 25. In multiplicand we have 3 digits and in multiplier we have 2 digits. So this is a multiplication of the 3-digit numbers by the 2-digit numbers. Before starting our solution, what we will do, we will write down the place values of each digit of the multiplicand and the multiplier, so that it will be easy for you to copy down the digit in their respective column correctly. So 7 is in the ones place, 6 is in the tens place and 2 is in the hundreds place. And in multiplier 5 is in the ones place, 2 is in the tens place. In solution also, first we will write the place values, ones, tens and hundreds. Now we have done writing down the place values. Now we will copy our multiplicand and multiplier in the vertical form, and you know that at first we will write our multiplicand. So we will write multiplicand 267 and second we will write our multiplier, that is 25, and we have to find their product. You can see I have placed 7 and 5 in the ones column because in the question we have 7 and 5 in the ones place. Similarly, I have placed 6 and 2 in the tens column, as in our question we have 6 and 2 in the tens place, and 2 in the hundreds column because we have 2 in the hundreds place. So you have to place each digit of the multiplicand and multiplier in their respective columns correctly. Now start multiplication. Okay, the multiplication of this example can be divided into 3 steps. In step 1 we will multiply the whole multiplicand from the digit 5, and in the second step we will multiply the whole multiplicand from the digit 2, and in the third step we will add the both products. So starting our first step, first we will multiply 5. Okay, we always start multiplication from the ones column. So in the ones we have the digit 5, we will multiply 5 from each digit of the multiplicand. 5 7s are 35. So we will write 5 here and 3 will be carry. Now 5 multiplied by 6 is equals to 30, and we will add 30 plus 3. 30 plus 3 is equals to 33. 33 we will write 3 here and the other 3 will be carry. Now 5 multiplied by 2 is equals to 10, and 10 plus 3 13. So 3 here and 1 will be in the thousands place. Now we have done our step number 1. In step number 2, as I told you, we will multiply 2 from each digit of the multiplicand. Now 2 sevens are 14. Okay, but before starting our step number 2, we will place 0 here. This is because now we are going to start multiplication from the tens, from the digit which is placed in the tens column. So its answer will also start from the tens column, and on the ones column we will place 0. Now starting 2 sevens are 14. So we will write 4 here and 1 will be the carry. 2 6 are 12 and 12 plus 1 13. From 13 3 will be placed here and 1 will be carry. 2 2s are 4 and 4 plus 1 5. We have done our step number 2. In step number 3 we will add both products. 5 plus 0 is equals to 5. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. So this is our final answer. Students, in this example, this is our multiplicand, this is our multiplier, and this is the final product. Students, in this example we have given find the product of 507 and 442. In this example 507 is the multiplicand and 442 is the multiplier. You can see in multiplicand we have 3 digits and in multiplier we also have 3 digits. So in this example you will learn how to multiply 3-digit number by the 3-digit number. Before starting our solution, as I told you that first we will write the place value on each digit of the multiplicand and multiplier. So here I have written. Now in the solution we again start from writing the place value first. So here I have written the place value 100 tens, ones, and then we will copy our multiplicand and multiplier in the vertical form. Like in this I have copied it. The ones digits 7 and 2 will be placed in the ones column. The tens digit 0 and 4 will be placed in the tens column, and the digit which are in the place of hundreds like 5 and 4 will be placed in the hundreds column. First number will be multiplicand and second number will be multiplier. After this work you will start the multiplication. In this example we will solve this question in 4 steps. In step number 1 we will multiply the whole multiplicand by the 2. 2 is in the ones place. We start our always start our multiplication from the digit which are in the ones place. So here 2 is in the ones place, so we will start multiplication by 2. Let's start. 2 sevens are 14. So we will write 4 here and 1 will be carry. 2 zeros are 0 and 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Students, remember one thing, when we multiply 0 by from any number, so answer will be the 0. For example, if you multiply 2 from 0, the answer will be 0. If you multiply, let me show you, 2 multiply 0 is equals to 0. 3 multiply 0 is equals to 0. 4 multiply 0 is equals to 0, and so on. So here also 2 zeros are 0 and we will add 1. 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. So we will write 1 here in tens column. Now 2 multiplied by 5 is equals to 10. So we will write 0 here and 1 which is in the thousands column. Now this was our step number 1. We have completed step 1. Now we will move towards step 2. Before starting step 2, we will place 0 in the ones column. Why? Because in step 2 we start multiplication of the multiplicand by the digit 4 and 4 is placed in the tens column. So its answer will also be placed from the tens column. So we will place 0 in the ones column and start writing our answer from the tens column. Now start multiplication. 4 sevens are 28. So we will write 8 here and 2 will be carry. 4 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2, 2. So we will write 2 here. 4 fives are 20. So we will write 0 here and 2 here. 2 will be in the 10,000s column. Now we have completed step 2. Move towards step 3. In step 3 we will place 2 zeros, one in the ones place and second in the tens place. Now again we will start multiplication. 4 multiplied by 7. We will write 8 here and 2 carry. 4 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2, 2 and 4. 4 fives are 20. So 0 here and 2 here. This 2 is in the 100,000s column. Now in the last we will add all the numbers here. 4 plus 0 plus 0, 4. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 2, 10. So 0 here, 1 will be carried. 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 0, 2 and 2 as it is. So this is our final product, which is 224,094. So students, in this example we have given multiply 42,015 by 230. In this example we have the multiplicand in which we have 5 digits and the multiplier in which we have 3 digits. In the previous example you learned about how to multiply 3-digit number by the 3-digit number. In this example you will learn how to multiply 5-digit number by the 3-digit number. Student, let me tell you one thing, that the steps of multiplication are more important than the number of digits, because once you will learn the proper stepping and you will learn how to multiply step by step, then whatever the digits will be given to you, it will not difficult for you to multiply. So you have to practice the steps, that what to do in step number 1, in step number 2 and step number 3. Okay, now let's start this solution of this example. Before starting, as I told you that before starting your solution, you will first write down the place value on the each digit of the multiplicand and multiplier. So I have already written that on the 5 I write 1, because 5 is in the ones place. Similarly 1 is in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place, 2 is in the thousands place and 4 is in the 10,000s place. This is our multiplicand. Now this is the multiplier in which 0 is in the ones place, 3 is in the tens place and 2 is in the hundreds place. Similarly in the solution I have already written the place values. Now what we will do, we will copy the multiplicand and multiplier in the vertical form. First we will copy multiplicand and second we will copy multiplier according to the place values written on its digit. Okay, now let's start. 42,015. We will start 5, 1, 0, 2 and 4. This is the first number, which is multiplicand. Now the second number, 0, 3, 2. This is multiplier. Now we will start multiplication. In step 1, as you know, we multiply the first digit of the multiplier which is in the ones place. In this example we have 0. So we will multiply the whole multiplicand by 0. Let's start. 0 multiplied by 5 is equals to 0. 0 multiplied by 1 is equals to 0. 0 multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. 0 multiplied by 2 is equals to 0. 0 multiplied by 4 is equals to 0. In the second step, as you know, we place 0 in the ones column and we start multiplication in the from the tens column. So start 3 multiplied by 5 is equals to 15. So we will write 5 here and 1 will be the carry. Now 3 multiplied by 1, 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3 plus 1, 4. 3 zeros are 0. 3 twos are 6 and 3 fours are 12. This 2 and 1 will lie. 2 will be in the hundred thousands column and 1 will be in the millions column. Now let's move towards the third step. In the third step, we will place 2 zeros, 1 in the ones column and the second in the tens column, and we will start writing from the hundreds column. Now let's start. 2 5s are 10, so 0 here, 1 will be the carry. 2 1s are 2 and 2 plus 1, 3. 2 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4 and 2 fours are 8. We have done step 1, step 2, step 3. In the last, what we will do? We will add all the products. This is the first product which we call the partial product. So this is the first partial product. This is the second partial product. This is the third partial product. And after addition, we will get our final answer, final product. Now let's start the addition. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5 plus 0, 5. 0 plus 4 plus 0, 4. 0 plus 0 plus 3, 3. 0 plus 6 plus 0, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. And 1 plus 8, 9. So this is our final answer, which is 9,663,450. In this example, let me tell you once again, this is multiplicand, this is multiplier, and this is our final product. Students, I hope you understand all the things. Keep practicing and good luck for the next time.